Is your Xfinity Xumo Box remote not working? Let's get it fixed. First, 70% of remote issues are due to dead batteries. Replace them with fresh AA alkaline or lithium batteries. Make sure they're inserted correctly. If that doesn't work, the remote might be unpaired. To repair, hold the setup button for 3 seconds and follow the on-screen instructions to enter the pairing code. Xfinity remotes use two communication modes, IR and RF. IR, or infrared, requires a direct line of sight to the Xumo box. This means you need to point the remote directly at the box without obstructions. RF, or radio frequency, works wirelessly and can transmit signals through walls and obstacles with a range of up to 50 feet. This makes it more convenient for modern setups. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try toggling between IR and RF modes. Access the remote settings menu by holding down the voice or setup button for 5 seconds. For advanced troubleshooting, the Xfinity My Account app provides automated steps to diagnose and fix remote issues. If you have an older Xumo box from before 2023, hardware defects could be the cause. Contact Xfinity support for a free replacement if the device is still under warranty.